how to find Facebook page settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Facebook page settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down. Here you will find the settings and then click this one, payments, and here you can find Facebook Pay. Click on it, and after you click on it you can manage here anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.